Hi, it's Jason from Jason's Jungle. I've got a fungal infection. You can see here, I've got various bits of fungus coming up in my garden. And that's a good thing. That means all that mycorrhizal fungus is in the bed, and it means I've got a nice and healthy soil. So that's going to be helping to feed the soil, feed the plants, improve the soil structure and move nutrients around the garden, so that my plants should be nice and healthy. These aren't the actual fungus, these are the equivalent to an apple on an apple tree. You can't see the rest of the tree because it's all under the ground, and it consists of very thin strands of the fungal material that weave its way throughout the bed, and they can go for, well, miles really, and they all interlock together and they move nutrients and moisture around the place, so your plants in one place can get nutrients from the other side of the bed or even the other side of the garden. So having fungus in your garden is good because it shows you've got a nice healthy soil. So there you go. If you find fungus in your beds, don't worry about it. They're just showing that your plot's getting healthy and your plants are going to be doing good next year. Okay, and I'll see you on the next video. Click like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you later.